This right here is our main character, folks. This is what we resort to. And welcome back to the reaction channel. Today, we are back. It is Tuesday today, probably going to be uploaded on Wednesday, but episode 2 of Chainsaw Man just dropped right now. And I would like to have my impressions of the first episode. I know I gave it like a 7 out of 10. It's only because I don't really know that much about the Chainsaw Man manga, and I only know a few things, but the world is pretty much intriguing, and it's kind of, it gives you the, the whole Jujutsu Kaisen or Mob Psycho vibes and things of that nature, where it's like these creatures are born from like the fears of humanity, of some stuff like that. So, it's not really anything too, but the last time we met, in the last episode, Denji basically killed all of the, he killed all of the Yakuza who basically had him, in grips because of his father's death. And now, since he's pretty much figured out he's being Chainsaw Man, he was brought in by your favorite girl, Makima. I don't know why people like this girl so much. She obviously seems manipulative and, probably going to be using Denji to her advantage, because the way how she was talking to him, it was almost like he was like a dog or like an animal or something to her, which would make kind of sense because I rewatched the opening and you literally kind of see Denji in the background like on a leash with Makima holding the leash, and I'm just like, please don't tell me this is like a real thing in the show. Please tell me this isn't something that's in the real show. But we're gonna go ahead and get started, get this done, because I want to get this edited out and put out into the world. I expect yes or woof for answers. Huh? Bruh, she already... What? Who talks to somebody like that? To... I do like her voice. Her voice is very cute, but I think that's intentional, though. Bruh, this dude is amazed that he is just being treated... I wouldn't say better. Oh no. Don't be a simp, bro. Oh god. Denji's a simp, ain't he? Back to this fire intro, that's for sure. I've watched this intro at least like maybe 20 times. When am I gonna see my girl Power? That's who I want to see. Oh. This dude is like straight malnourished. Is Pochita really dead, though? That's the question I'd like to know. Ah. Yep, he's out. She seems somewhat sweet right now, but I pretty much know what she's like just from being spoiled on the internet, but... My god, dude. This man Denji is down atrociously, man. Holy crap. Bro, is this dude actually woofing for her? This man is literally down bad. Holy crap. Oh my god, dude. Stop! You're being used, pal. You just realize that. I don't think he's gonna realize that until it's too late. So is she like in charge of this devil hunting group or something like that? Pay vacation. Oh, okay. Sounds good to me. Oh god. Whew, man, this guy is down bad. There's Aki, right? See, even he told him that. Better listen to Aki, Denji. I know her tactics all too well. I've been with somebody that was very manipulative before. Especially to somebody who's probably just as insecure as, which is Denji is probably very, very insecure though. He's all about that business, isn't he? Oh! Oh, now he's just beating. Okay. Just kicking his butt in the alley, huh? Bro, I can't get over how good this animation is. Like, holy crap.
Makima さんには俺から言っといてやるよ。お前は悪魔にビビって逃げたってな。
Ooh. Oh. Okay. Okay, dude. This man literally kicked him in the nuts 4 times. Oh boy. There. Bruh, he is literally warning you. Bruh. Bruh. Bruh, he really... Oh boy. Experimental, I'll say, so I guess this group is all the special characters, right? You get the X. That's kind of depressing. And honestly kind of feels like Yuji's case, but the only difference is Yuji is actually dangerous because he has Sukuna in him. This one is just like, oh, if you just don't work for us, we'll kill you. I'm like, okay, that's... Yes, bruh, he's literally warning him about Makima. And I know some of the stuff she does to him in the manga, so I'm not really surprised. Like, did you listen to anything I said? Did you even listen? What is this guy doing? He's literally just throwing everything on that. Oh my god. Oh my god, like, why do I have to live with this guy? Used all the toilet paper. Oh, well, that was easy. Yeah, because he actually was living with one for all his life. It was like a cute little dog, though. Wow, really? Just was worried about the magazines.
確認
デンジの夢を私に見せてくれ。
俺もマジでやってるぜ落ちた
Bruh, he literally just did that just to save the magazines. Bruh.
その
パトロールは安全な
Oh!
二人一組で行動することになってるんだ。ちょうどよかった。来たみたい。気をつけてね。彼女は魔人だから。おうおう、ひげ伏せ人間、わしの名はパワー。バディとやらはうぬか。
パワー？名前パワー？つうか魔人なの？魔人がデビルハンターなんてやってもいいのか？
Oh no.
まあいいか。よろしく。
This guy, man.
魔人は悪魔と同じ駆除対象なんだけど、
This guy.
パワーちゃんは理性が高いから早川くんの隊に入れてみた場所だけパトロールすること。
She's out.
人間、早くなんか殺させろ。わしは血に飢えてるぞ。
ある程度の理不尽なら辛いよけりゃ許せる問題はどうやって胸を揉むかだ
Dude.
もし民間
That's all you're worried about right now?
警察
やろう俺をはめやがったなパワーと組ませて俺を活躍させないようにして俺を辞めさせる気なんだ
血の匂いじゃ。
おいおい、てめえ、どこ行け？
勝負じゃ勝負じゃ。戦いだ。
足早や
現場の封鎖と民間人の避難は完了させま
He
した。
has a
ナマコの悪魔です。
sea cucumber. What?
今の駅前に応援をお願いします。いや、ナマコです。ナマコわかりますか？
Oh.
何？
わしの手柄じゃ。
Bruh. She's crazy. I like her. Oh, man. So that was episode 2. Okay. I like this episode a lot more, I think. It's crazy they have a different ending for every episode. Nice. Sound like a song out of Kakaguri, I think. That's literally what it sounds like. So my guess is those two are going to be his buddies, basically. Aki and Power. Okay. Nice. It's a good episode. I think I'll give that one an 8. I'll give that one an 8 or 8.5, something like that. But anyway, that was the video, in all honesty. So we got to meet Aki. I kind of figured he was going to be more serious, but in actuality, like literally he became a joke, like literally like the first few times he got kicked. And then Power, she just seems like a reckless, crazy type character, like, you know, like she's just all for the violence. So yeah. But yeah, pretty much can already sense that Denji is being manipulated by Makima, and he's literally playing into that, and that's something a little too familiar with me. But yeah, that was episode 2. So I'm gonna end this one off here. If you're interested in my Twitch channel, I do stream my game I do play video games and stream them every Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you're interested in that, follow the Twitch channel down below, and also my gaming channel where I upload gaming videos and things of that nature, which is a bigger channel than this one. Not too much bigger, but it's bigger than this one. But anyway, thank you all for watching. That was Chainsaw Man episode 2. I'll see y'all next week for episode 3. Peace.